Go.
I'm lagging right now.
It is starting. We started.
Lag. I can't move. Big lag. Hello?
Bro, okay. They can't hear you. They can't hear you. I'm just going to say your words for you, alright? So, welcome back, guys. Today, we're going to get my man's, Nirokami. He's legit 1 million away. He's going to get 500 million as that. So,
I've had Scorpion for years now, boys.
he said
I'm a veteran with Scorpion.
He's had Scorpion for years now, boys. He wants something better than Scorpion. So, I think it's time to unleash our full power.
Alright, let's go, veteran boys.
Avengers! Assemble.
No, you're not an Avenger, brother. You're a $7.99 ripoff.
A $7.99 ripoff? What the frick are you speaking of?
Dude. Your viewers can hear me, though. So are you. The guys are blue. I know, so are you.
Roses.
Dude, you know what? Just stay in the safe zone. Just stay in the safe zone, and I'm going to just do high damage. I can't.
Bro, I still need to help you out, Chief. What you talking about?
No, like stay inside the safe
Oh
zone.
yeah, I see what you mean.
You finish her off so you can get levels. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I just have to attack it, then you can help in the safe zone. Alright, now I'm just gonna spam her with my effects.
Listen, stop munching on my toes, bro. My toes are legit claws. We're legit like brother and sister. Stop munching on my toes, Chief.
Says the Takizawa to the Eto.
Stop munching on my toes, bro. That's my job.
Step sis, please. No, those are my toes.
Okay. Is it just me, or is it this like the form the coolest thing ever? Like with like all of it spreading over the body and like the arm, that just makes it so good looking. This shit had 4 forms and like the third form is like one that's like this, except like they have like 2 arms like that on both sides, and like it's starting to cover like most of your body, like it's completely covered in legs.
Weird if it's 2 arms because they'd both be facing outward and it'd be like you're trying to T-pose at somebody.
You get what I mean?
I see. And eyes on the verge of suicide.
Put on your Arata, you do more damage.
No, wait, do I?
Yeah, you do more damage with your Arata.
5% more damage out, right?
Insanity!
Oh, dude, look at the damage. Oh, dude! Okay. You get out and finish her. I'm gonna get inside the safe zone. You get out and finish her.
That ain't gonna do nothing.
You still need your, whatchamacallit, levels, right? So.
Yeah.
Levels are gonna be passed for me.
Okay,
Edo,
I almost got her.
You're not Edo. Come at me, Cheeks. I mean.
Did you just call Edo Cheeks?
I call her Cheeks. Dude, don't dash at her. Oh my god. I go in the safe zone so you can stay from the far and sniper.
My gosh.
Dash at her.
Fine.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna finish her off now.
On your first stage. That would be best for finishing her off. Oh, you're gonna throw her into the spike so it explodes, right? Well, she probably needs to be outside the safe zone for that, so go at her now, brother!
Yes, we popped her like a zit. You've reached it.
500 million exact. I'll meet you at the Quinky shop. I won't get it before you, dear, though. Don't worry.
So listen, what we're gonna do is he's gonna screen record, and we're all gonna show you like what it looks like. Bam.
Oh, dude, it is time.
Bro, countless hours of me putting up with your crap. I meant countless hours of you grinding so hard.
What? No, what the frick did you say to me?
Okay, main point of the story. A main point of the story, you've grinded for several hours.
Hours of me putting up with you trying to throw Edo off the edge is more accurate.
Haha, I'm glad that they can't hear you.
Right here, boys. Right here.
Bro, we're about to go do a test. We're about to go do a test, Chief. We're about to get crazy with it.
You know what? Before we do that, let's say our goodbyes to Scorpion.
Scorpion? I need to say my last word, Scorpion. Scorpion? You have helped my friend through so many things. I'm kidding, you're trash. Go die.
Yeah, let's go. Burn him in the fire. Actually, I actually have some sort of empathy. I'm emotionally attached to these things.
Scorpion, I'm gonna be straight up honest. Scorpions, you've helped my friend.
This knife just seemed like.
You know what? Let's dude. This is like a screenshot type of moment. We need to do this.
Yeah, we need to remember, Scorpion. 2020 to 2020. Live 5 days. Alright, let's go, boys.
Wait,
Alright.
I can't take the picture.
What if I accidentally cross it?
Bro, that would be so sad. If you click the wrong thing.
What if I bought Gingu? Oh god. No, stop. Okay. Boys. It's done.
Bro,
It's done, boys.
show us what it is.
Done, boys.
Show us, yes! You need to change your colors. That looks kind of ugly. You need to change your
Is it
colors
invisible
first.
speed? It is done, boys! It is done! Look at it! Look at the beautiful...
Okay, bro, let's go do the showcase.
Oh,
First, let's do
Dude,
click.
look
Show us the
at-
click.
okay, let's go,
Show us
let's
the
go.
click. Show us the click, bro.
Whoa. The quick. Oh, you want to see the quick? The click? The quick though. Whoop, 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 whoop. Come at me, bro. Come at me, brother. Jesus, get out of here. Get out of here, you piece of shit. Look at the quick though.
Okay.
The quick. Okay,
Let's do
meet
the-
me at the arena. I have exactly 0 yen right now. I'm so damn poor. Meet me at the arena so I can use the moves on.
I have
That way you'll get to
94,000
do it.
yen, dude. I only have 94,000 yen. I'm 8.
I have 0 yen.
That bro moment when you have 0 yen.
Hold up.
What?
You literally start the game with like 2,500 yen. Dude, get in here. What are you doing? Get in the arena.
Bro, I wasn't gonna reset. Do you think I'm a bot?
Oh my god.
Dude, what do you take?
Alright, I'm gonna un-ally you for this showcase, okay?
Okay, bro.
So you can see what the
Let's do the showcase, Chief. We about to go crazy with it.
Do you have anything that increases your health?
Yes, kind of. This is like, okay, here. Just go with it. Go with it. But why is the block
Alright,
so thick?
Oh snap, that was the art. That was the
Okay.
art. Okay. So, oh, I got one of the circle things. Okay, so if I do the art like here, you get stunned. You can't move, and you get a circle. Okay. So like, just be running at me, and I'm gonna use the R on you. Okay. Damn it, I missed. Okay, hold up. I need to get farther. Alright, now start running now. You got pause for a second. Alright, I'm gonna use the E move now, okay?
Wait, I gotta unally you because if you can't do the move, I'm gonna hit you at all. Ready? Go for it.
I can't do the move.
I'm going.
Anyways, okay, I'm gonna do. Oh wait, what? The R move?
Ah!
Dude, I accidentally did the F move. Oh, dude, the damage! Whoa, hold up. This is not in the
You wanna see-
the showcase.
You want to see some damage? I'm about to show you
No,
some real
I want-
damage. You want to see some
Oh, you
damage?
dead? You dead? You dead, fam?
Yeah.
No, you ain't dead. Where you at? Oh, you died. Alright, I'm gonna show you the E move now. Oh, yeah.
You can't really do that when you're dead.
You know, I was just gonna show you the E move, show you the habilitations.
Now let me see your full power. Ah!
Alright, you ready for the E move? Ready for the E move?
Yeah, bro, show me. What's goody with it? Get into it! You. Disgusting!
Brother. No, get away from here. Get away from me. Oh, dude, why did I go that way? Alright, now we gotta go to gun mode, brothers. Let's see the gun mode. Let's see the guns, brother.
Oh, hey,
Gun
yo,
mode.
listen.
Let me check.
Yo, bro, listen.
Let me check.
Bro, dude, listen. I've been your friend for a long time. I supported you.
I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna throw me into that so it explodes in my skin. Don't do that. But look at this. I got a gun. The click, that's the click.
I have a gun.
Click. Hey, give me all your money. I
got a gun.
Ah, it hurts. Get shocking, boy. Get shocking. Alright. Next move. E move.
I got a gun.
Oh, hold up. Did you see that? No, hold up. Look at the E move.
I got a gun.
Okay.
I mean, in
I'm
your
gonna do
defense, you had a gun.
okay.
In my defense, you had a gun. I had a knife. I had a right to attack you.
You don't have a right to attack because I have a gun. Anyways,
Guns are
E move.
strong.
Dude, get out of the way. Oh, God, no. You have a neurosound character. Alright. Let's see what the F move does for this.
Oh, I just heard my.
Oh, yeah, dude, I forgot about that completely. Don't get close to those. And I know the R move does that. It bends toward you. So, I'm going to shoot this way and the R move is going to chase you. You see that? R move chases you. F move.
Oh, frick. Ah!
Dude, where you going? Where you going? We just partying.
How
boy.
dare you!
We just partying.
I got a gun!
We just partying. dying though.
I have a gun. No.
Die.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes, you suck, you suck, you suck. Yes, it is.
Dude, Norikami is acting so good though. Oh, dude, he's finally here. Kirito, this is a momentous occasion. Let me get a screen. Let's get a screen, Kirito. Get over here. We gotta get a
Bro, we
screen.
both got something new today, alright? Yo, I'm about to do the
we
screening
gotta
with us.
screen. Boys, your health is low. You want to reset you or something? I can reset you in the
I think I got a good idea. I can just do this.
Oh, me and the boys. Me and the boy. Where's Toto?
You know, where is Toto, dude?
We need Toto. I know he's awake. He never sleeps. He's nocturnal. Well, I mean that makes him sleep at day. But dude, all right, you want to do an actual move show set though?
I'm trying to do a photo, bro. Get back over here.
Oh, what? You haven't done it yet?
Nah, man, I don't know. I forgot how to. I think it's like.
You forget how to? Hold up, let me get back into
Nope.
position.
Is that it?
Is this position? Yeah, this
Is that it?
position.
No, was that it? Nope. Which one was it? What?
You want? I don't know. We have different computer types, don't we? I have an HP. What do you have?
I have an Omen.
Yeah, we have different computer types.
My goodness.
Different button.
Oh, there it worked. Screenshot was added to your Dropbox. Okay, yes.
Alright, now we
Oh,
gotta
my
go back
God.
to back. Dude, what the frick? We're gonna do it back to back.
Oh
Like,
yeah, dude.
Good
let's
and
do this.
evil? Like good and evil?
I would be the
Oh
evil,
my
of
God.
course.
Yeah, no freaking no. Alright, here we go.
Wait.
You might wanna like record this and just spin around slowly.
There, bro.
Nice. Alright, brother. I think I'm out. I gotta go test this out on Edo. You know?
Bro.
Wait, I wanna see how much of a can do.
We
Hold up, I
both
wanna
got
see-
talking. We both got a very powerful thing. But should I change my colors? Like the viewers are here. Like while we're at it.
Sorry. I meant to change. Hold up. I meant to change it. Dude, I didn't mean to use that move. Oh my gosh.
You must
You
suffer.
did it. Whoa. Hold up. Did you just pick up my disc? Oh wait, hold up. I forgot the only funny thing I was meant to do with this. Kirito, get down there. Let's go. It's time for the only funny thing that can be done with this.
What?
Get over here.
Can I pick up your disc?
Omarida Shinde. Wait, hold up. Omarida Shinde. Omarida.
Wait, I'm gonna try picking up your disc. All right, throw it at me. Throw a disc at me.
I can't throw my disc at you. I get caught and then okay. Hold up. I have my okay. Try to catch me when I'm dashing at you. Wait, hold up. No, I was about to dash at you.
Okay, do it. Ready?
Let me get some distance and then I'm gonna dash at you. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, go.
I won. So
dude, you
so
got
it's
two,
been
though.
proven. Takizawa is stronger. Yo, bro,
Hit 2 though.
let's go do
No,
it,
you
man.
took damage.
I think we should change
go
my
do it.
colors for the viewers. All right, dude. I just got these like colors today, gray and red, and that was a pretty thick combo. But like,
You actually gonna post it? You actually gonna post this?
yeah, man, we're going on YouTube, bro.
Oh god.
Yo.
I just became part of the map for a second. Dueling arena. Oh my god.
you can't get through because you're
Jotaro! Jotaro! Yeah.
Dio Nishiki. I have a gun.
I sent yeah inside the chat. Oh god, now I'm capsing. Oh, frick.
I have a gun.
I'm dying now. Wait, hold up. I want to test my damage outside here.
Frick, frick,
Oh,
frick,
crap,
frick.
wrong move.
Run. Panic, 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 panic.
Panic sets in. Oh, Kirito!
I'm faster than you, dude. I'm faster than you by like a cent. Oh, Ito spawned.
Is that Edo?
Yeah, bro.
Is
Let's
that
go. Let's go
Edo?
change my colors. Then like, let's see. I only get one try at this. Actually, I get two, but
I wonder if I can dash the wall.
I mean, I don't get two tries, right? You ready, dude?
What did I get here?
This is a forbidden technique, so no one use this unless you are dying for a good color. Mama goose. Time to see what my goose got. Oh, it's like your colors, dude. It's like your colors.
Oh, hold up, hold
Dude,
up,
I
hold
got
up.
your colors. Dude, I got your colors. But like, I'm in orange. Bro, I'm orange
No,
juice.
I-
I'm orange
hold up,
juice,
hold up,
dude.
hold up.
But nah, Chief. I'm sorry, but like, I can't do it.
No, hold up. We gotta do the side by side. Come on.
Bro,
Ah, the boys.